For our project, you're going to start off with a big circle. What we're going to be using is a big tub. You're then going to trace the outside of it with your pencil. I'm using a Sharpie just for demonstration purposes. You want to make sure you're using a pencil. After you get done making your large circle, we're then going to make 2 lines. You're also going to do this in pencil. We've got to figure out what the middle point is of our circle. So I'm going to go ahead and measure mine out. My circle is 8.5, so the midpoint is going to be half of that, so it'll be 4 1/4. So I'm going to go ahead and mark the middle of my circle. I also did 2 lines in pencil, because you're going to erase these later on, of the top part of my circle. So I'm going to just use my pencil really quickly and mark that off. Okay. And I'm also going to do it on the bottom. The reason why is because I need to know the middle of my circle is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my ruler, and it is about 8.5 inches tall. So the middle of my circle is 4.5. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a straight line. You're going to draw this in pencil. I'm drawing mine in Sharpie so you can see it better. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my halfway mark on my circle. The next thing I'm going to do is you're going to be using a compass. Okay, you're going to line your line up against it. You want to mark it at 30 degrees, 60, 90, 120, and 150. Okay, you also want to mark it on the other side, so I'm going to flip my compass over. I'm going to go ahead and mark it at, again, 30, 60, 90, 120, and 150. And this is going to make it where there's going to be 6 equal parts on the top half of my circle and 6 equal parts on the bottom half of my circle. So what you're going to do in pencil is that you're just going to take that straight edge of your compass and you're going to go ahead and draw your lines. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and do that part. We're going to get our circle set up. Remember, you're doing this in pencil, not in Sharpie. So make sure you're connecting your points. And you're doing it in pencil. So I got the top half. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom half of my circle. And so I have it at my 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120, and 150.
Trina Johnson, please call the front office.
Okay, so now I have my 12 equal parts on my circle. So that's the first step of your circle. And then on the part 2, I'm going to show you how to start designing for the inside of your color wheel mandala.